Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and I thought I'd see if I can help you out here with this one, number 7 from 5B. So you're supposed to come up with a line equation for this, and you want to identify the points we're dealing with. So there's a point here at -4, -4. Okay, that's the first thing that might be useful. And there's another point here at -6, +4. So -6, +4. Now you can use either point for a point slope form equation, this one or this one. Since these are negatives, you'll end up being like x plus 4 and y plus 4. Since this one's positive and this was negative, you end up with y minus 4 and x plus 6. So that's the thing you want to think about. Those are choices you have. If you want to, this is also a point, but these are identified ones. But here is one, of course, at -5, 0. But if you use this one or this one, just pay attention to the negatives because if I had something going through, let me undo that for a second here, not do that. Let's say I had a line going through this point here and this point here. Okay, so this here is going to be -7, -2. Okay.
Daddy, do you?
So then this point here is -9, 1. Okay, so I've got these 2 points. Now I could use either one of those for my point slope form equation. Now, obviously, I'm not going to just give you the equation for this, but I will go ahead and walk through getting one for this one, which is reasonably similar to what you're dealing with. So there's the most amazing straight line you've ever seen, I know. Okay, so I'm going to need to pick a point, and I'm going to need to find the slope. So I'll do it both ways. So I can say y minus 1 equals, I'm going to leave the slope blank for right now, x. If I use the y that was 1, I'm going to say x minus -9, which is x plus 9. That's the same as x minus -9. Okay, or I can use the other point, which I'll use, I guess, a different color for. Y minus -2 is going to be plus 2. And then over here, it's going to be x minus -7, which is going to be plus 7. Okay, I'll put an equal sign there. All right, we need to figure out the slope here. Well, the slope is going to be from this point to this point. We can just map it on the grid nicely. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, oops, I went too far. 1, 2, 3 here. Let me use my eraser, clear that up. So I want to go down, not 4, down 3, and then over 2. So I have a slope of -3 over 2. And it's going to be the same slope for either version, -3 over 2. Either way works. So for this line, you're going to have to find the slope between these 2 points. So like down how far much it is, and then over how far it is. So that'll be a negative number. That'll be a positive number. So you'll end up with a negative slope. All right, I hope that has helped clear things up a little